welcome to today's tip. We're going to be making a heart card today that swizzles around in the center of this circle here. So what you're going to need is either a stencil or a heart to cut around. And what I've done is I've just stuck some glue around the outside of my heart, so when I go and cut them out, I'm going to have exactly the same shaped heart. So, but you definitely want them to be separate at first, so make sure that they are not stuck together inside the heart. And what you want to do is also make sure that you've got nice contrasting or nice complementary colours on your heart, because they're going to spin around. You can do it the same colour if you want to. Now the second thing you're going to need is cut out a circle, and you're going to need, so on your main card, cut it out in the middle, then you're going to need a second piece of card that's going to sit behind it, and you're going to cut it out in exactly the same space, like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put our hearts together with one piece of string. Okay, so I've got some glue on the inside of my heart, and then I'm going to glue it all down, making sure it's nice and lined up with the string going through the center of the heart. Okay, I've pulled that quite tight so it's got this nice straight line through it. So there we have it. So what you need to do when you just open it up is just twizzle it several times, put it in the envelope, so when they open their card, it spins around. How cool is that? I hope you've enjoyed this tip. I've really enjoyed making it, and I hope you get to do one yourself too.